Okay, so we finally got our W900 back from paint. It was a long process. It was a stretch from 255 to 305. That's what we're sitting at right now on the wheelbase. How you guys can see, we went with the gray and with the red chassis. Everything looks super good. Right now, we just gotta start putting out the chrome back in, doing the interior. It's gonna be a long process and we don't have a lot of time because we're planning to be at the truck show that is gonna be going down next month on the 14th down in Miami. So we're gonna be taking this truck to the show. So either way, stay tuned so you'll be able to see how we get it ready and how she's gonna be show ready in only 30 days.